Welcome to Tot Teaches Math, where math is real, easy, and it's fun. Hi, my name is Tot, and today we're going to be working with mixed numbers. Well, it's a two-parted video. Today we're going to be converting mixed numbers to improper fractions and then converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. All right, so we're going to start with part one, converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. So our steps are going to be, you're going to multiply the number or the whole number by the denominator. You're going to add that result to the numerator, and then you're going to keep the denominator the same. So let's look at an example here. 3 is the whole number here, and then 2 over 5. This is our mixed number. We're going to convert this into an improper fraction. Well, step number one, you're going to multiply the denominator and the whole number together. So 3 times 5 is going to equal 15. So we take 15 and we add here our numerator, which is 2, which equals 17. Okay? Now, we keep our denominator, which is 5 at the bottom. And after our two calculations, we keep our answer and put that over 5. So, that is how you convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay? And you know what? We can do one more. Let's do this. Let's do 5 and 1/4. So let's kind of carve that out. All right. And then, what is the first thing we do? You are correct. We multiply the denominator and the whole number. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Now, what do we do next? That is correct. So we take our answer, which is 20, and we add it to the numerator, which is 1, which equals 21. Then we keep our denominator, which is here, which is 4. And then, after our calculations, we keep our last answer, and that's going to be 21 over 4. Okay? Now, that is converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. So, let's do the improper fraction, which is part 2. We're going to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. The steps here, you're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. The answer then becomes the whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator, and then we're going to keep the same denominator. So the denominator doesn't change, so we're going to keep that. So here go example number 1. We're going to convert 11 over 4 to a mixed number. Okay, so step number 1, we need to divide 4 into 11. But just off the top of my head, I know that 4 times 3 equals 12, so that's going to be too big. So we'll have to do 4 times 2. So 4 times 2 is going to be 8. Put my 2 here, and we'll take away 8 from 11, which is going to be 3. So we have 2, remainder 3. Okay? All right. So we're going to follow the steps. Well, the first step says divide the numerator by the denominator, which is what we did here. We got our answer. Our, our whole number is the actual answer. So 2 is the answer. So this is our whole number, right? The denominator is going to stay the same, so we keep our 4. And then our remainder is going to be our numerator, which is going to be 3. 2 3/4. That's our answer. Okay? And, see, we probably can do another one here. A quick one. All right. So our example is going to be 17 over 5. So remember, for this part, we're converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay. All right. So let's divide 5 into 17. I know that's going to be 3 because 3 times 5 is 15. We're going to take away 15 from 17. That's going to be 2. So we do have that remainder of 2. Okay. Now we are going to circle our answer, which is 3. That becomes our whole number. Our numerator stays the same, which is going to be 5. And then our remainder is become our numerator. So 3 2/5 is your answer. And that is how you work with mixed numbers. So remember, it's 2 ways you can convert mixed numbers into to improper fractions, and then improper fractions to mixed numbers. Well, thank you. If you found that helpful, please subscribe, like, share, or follow. And until next time, bye-bye.